So here's how to add table of contents in Word. Adding table of contents in Words helps readers quickly find and navigate to different sections of your document. Now I'm going to go ahead and begin by showing you the sample of mine right here. So I have here an article, or rather this one right here. So this is a text, and the first part is this one: improve your mental health by doing these 3 things. And then you also have this one right here. Now what I'm going to do is make these a heading. So these 2 right here, I'm just going to highlight this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and click the heading. There you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and do the other one as well. Again, I want this one to be part of my table of contents. So this is going to be the 2nd chapter, and then this is going to be the 1st chapter. So what I'm going to do from this point forward is basically go to here, or to the first part of the letter, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. So I'm doing that one because I want to put my table of contents here at the top. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit the references, click table of contents, and then you're going to go ahead and choose between the following. So for example, you have here automatic table 1. I'm just going to go ahead and click this one, and you should see something like this. Now instead of contents, you can change this one. Click this, and there you go. So it became table of contents instead of just contents. So yep, that's how you're going to do it. Very simple, right? Congratulations everybody, now you know how to add table of contents here in Word. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.